Hey everyone, it's Diablo Killer 124, and today we are working on the guild still. This is part 17 of the PHP tutorials, so let's get started. Last yesterday, what we did was write this, I believe. It took 10 minutes just to write this. How cool. Um, okay, else if code equals 2. Okay, so code equals 2, I'm assuming, is going to be creating a guild, because why would you be in code 2 if you already have a guild? So let's come to FP guild, and we have a public function create guild. Okay, um, so after this, if if they already have a guild, basically, if it doesn't die, then I'll just keep going, which then we will do FP guild dash and then a greater than sign, create guild. No, we're not. Nope, that's wrong. Okay, erase that. First, we have to give them a form to create a guild. Make it look nice, like basically like register or log in. So I'm just gonna open up our register.php. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up, and I'm just gonna copy all of the HTML. Also, I've been doing bad HTML. I should be using doc type and stuff and doing it at the top. That's what I'm doing for Battle folks, but for this, I'm just going to leave it like I am now. But if you do try to check it on like w3.org, it'll give you an error, which is my fault. I'm sorry. And after you paste in your register.php or write the code again, I'm just going to erase this HTML for now and body, because if I do fix it later, we won't need that there. In form name, change the form name to create guild, and then after method or whatever, action. Oops. Action is reader.php, and if you remember, we made reader.php earlier. So just save that, and then we're gonna give it some new names like guild name, and that's all we really need, I guess. For now, guilds are gonna be free. I don't, well, they're literally free. You don't have to pay for a guild. But later we'll add currency to our table, or to our to the system, like forum gold, as it's called on the website called d2jsp.org, or like a gold type system. So like you can spend stuff, you can trade for items or on a game or something. Yeah. So I'm just gonna save this, and I'm gonna open up the internet, and I'm gonna resize it again, or it's gonna resize itself. Go to localhost /php /index.php, act equals guild, and code equals 2. We really need to write navigation stuff, huh? Okay, and then I did delete what's it called. So I'm just gonna create a new button. With the button on the right side, so I'm gonna create 2 TDs. Input type equals submit, name equals, oh yeah, and also we're gonna start giving these actual names, these submit buttons, instead of submit. So the name will be create guild, just like we named the form, and that's that. I'll save this. Now we'll refresh it, and I know it looks bad. We'll fix that later. We'll make it look nicer. But for now, it's just gonna look like this with no CSS or anything. I'm not really using. Well, I'm using CSS on Babel folks, but someone else is really doing most of the CSS, and I've just added little things like the footer I did. It's cool because the footer's all the way at the bottom. It took a long time to fix that because I'm not good with CSS. I had to use Google a lot. So it redirected us to reader.php, and now I just clicked on reader.php, and we're gonna do if post. Oh, wait, we have to use the @ symbol. Keep forgetting. For me, you guys probably won't have to unless you're using your local host with my forgot what it's called, WAMP server, but I need to. If post, we named the submit button createGuild. If createGuild, if that was posted, we're gonna guild name. We're just gonna name it guild. Post guild, and also I'm gonna add JavaScript. Actually, I think I'll do that next tutorial. Yeah, I'll add JavaScript next tutorial, and this will just to make sure guild is actually filled out. You know, like so they just don't hit submit with no guild name, which will make life easier. You know. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, we're probably gonna be redoing the whole thing that I did in the first few tutorials, I think. Like, instead of using index.php as the main page, we'll probably change that. Because I don't like how that's working out. So maybe in the next couple tutorials, no, I'll finish the guild system first, and then we will worry about that. So yeah, let's get the guild system finished, and then I'll redirect, or I'll change it, because you guys might have been waiting, or maybe you just want to watch to learn some code or something, or you just want to watch to laugh at me, or whatever. So we're just going to name that, and I'll do JavaScript next tutorial still. I'm going to put that on a notepad so I don't forget, because, I don't know, sometimes I'll just record a tutorial and wait till tomorrow to put it up. Like, that's what I did with part 16. Because I wanted you guys to have something, and I didn't want to forget or something, you know, and not upload one. So I figured, hey, okay, I'll just do one. I did it when I did part 14 and 15. So I was like, okay, and then I completely forgot about it yesterday, and I was like, thank goodness I already made one. So I uploaded it at like 8:30 at night. But it's like 1 o'clock today, so I'll probably have it uploaded soon, or maybe I'll just wait till like 6 p.m. tonight or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm sorry. So we're gonna do pfguild, fpguild, createGuild, and the only problem with this is we don't have fpguild included here, and that's one of the main reasons I'm gonna that's why I'm gonna redo the whole index.php. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that. I just did. So now we have it saved like that, and now it will actually know what fpguild is. And we're going to create guild, and come to your fpguild.php again, and in the parameters for create guild, we're going to do username and guild. Guild is guild name. I'm just going to save it, and here I'm going to type in, oh, I really need to do that. Oh, they're all our features. Never mind. But I'm gonna have to enable some features. Okay, so before we do this, I'm gonna edit something. It'll take less than a minute. So right-click your WAMP server or whatever it is, and go into your PHP folder. And I'm going to PHP settings, and I think I need to variables. No, I'll find out if I need to do that, and then I'll show you the next couple tutorials if I want to. But yeah, for here I'm going to do username and guild, and to get username, I'm just going to come to user.php and do the username thing again, just like that. Save that. Okay, so now it won't create a guild, but now it's calling the function createGuild, and in the next tutorial we will actually be creating a guild, and I think we will be able to get all of the whole guild thing finished by the end of that tutorial. So comment, thumbs up, subscribe, thumbs down, don't comment, subscribe. Bye.